To install a Halo app, first go to your online store. In this case, I'll go to the Android Play Store. Type in HaloAR and then click on the title and hit the install button. After you've downloaded and installed it, the HaloAR on your device, click on the app's permissions when asked. You have to make sure that the camera selection as well as the location permission have been added. Once installed, you'll find the Halo application listed somewhere on your device. Following an AR collection is the only way that you'll be able to connect the virtual elements of the Halo targets to the physical targets of your tour. Once you've opened the HaloAR app on your device, navigate to the home page. On the upper section of the screen, tap a location for nearby. Browse through the available collections. In this case, you will choose Around Prairie du Chien. Tap on that selection. Look for Follow or Subscribe in the upper right-hand corner. Click on that. The little icon will turn green with a check mark. The collection will now be added to your followed or subscribed list. From the slider menu of this menu, check Halo Map. Here are all of the halos that you will be investigating on your tour of Prairie du Chien. Now, how do you scan a halo? Ensure that you have the Halo app open and you open to the home page. Look for View on Map, and you can see that the page is resizable. Here are all of the icons. The one in the lower section all by itself is the location of the user. Close out the map view. From the home page, select Scan. On the right side, there are several icons. Make sure that the location triggers, the fourth icon down, does not have a line through it. As you are walking around and come within 10 meters of a target halo, the pulsating arrows will continue, and you look at the lower section of the screen. It says you are in range of a halo. Tap here to view it. Now here comes the tricky part. Take your phone and scroll to a flat surface. And you'll see a series of dots appear. Follow the prompts. Select there. Now, if you place your icon, your target, if you place your icon to the area with the largest dots, and the dots are farthest apart, the image becomes larger. And there you go. Place the X out and continue to your next destination. Have fun with this and let me know what you think about it. It does require some patience and understanding, and I'm hoping that things go well after you have reached some expertise.